You can integrate issue checklists for Jira with workflows by creating post functions and validators. This video will show you how to create a validator that ensures there are items in the checklist. To create the validator, navigate to Project Settings, Workflows. Click on the pencil icon and select Diagram Mode. Click on the appropriate transition. Click Validators. Click Add Validator. Select Checklist is not empty and click Add. Publish the edited workflow. Issues cannot be transitioned if there are no items in the checklist. Visit HeroCoders.com for more examples of how you can use checklists in Jira.